Tenth house, if you read chapter 83 of BPHS, most important chapter and the most ignored chapter. So when he's talking Lord Shiva, in that chapter, it's Lord Shiva discussing with Goddess Parvati past life curses, etc. and all that. So in that, for children, fifth house, having no issues, no male issues, fifth house, curse of mother, curse of this. So Lord Shiva is taking the respective houses. But somewhere down the line, in couple of places, he brings in 10th Lord. I do not know if anybody among you has noticed it. Has anybody noticed that part? Has anybody noticed that? I will allow you to admit.
No, sir.
So he brings in that, and it's a very big mystery. But that itself gives us the importance of 10th house, which Yashraj was talking about. Okay. In every place, okay, the fifth house of mantra is not given importance. Above that, the 10th has been given importance. Am I right or wrong? Those who have read BPHS can probably confirm, So, another thing, at one place, he talks about, Parashar Rishi talks about death for 10th house as a signification. K.N. Rao Saab, who created the modern version of Charadarshan, has in one of his books written 10th house for Charadarshan. Has written 10th house for death, and you'll find that in BPHS. Okay. And he has mentioned it also as Parashara. Now there is another thing. If you we take 6th house for rin, debts, correct everybody? Now just write an additional house for it, which is 10th house, 10th Lord, and start interpreting the horoscope. Start interpreting the 10th house of each Karaka Graha. Are you all understanding, everybody? Second, yes. For 10th house, write down the next keyword, pending karma. And with these two words, pending karma and debt, rin, you will start seeing the chart in a very beautiful manner. For example, Sri Krishna's chart, I'm taking the version of K.N. Rao Saab. Okay. If you see Lord Krishna's 10th house has the sign Aquarius, that means to win. Simple. To win. That's his karma. How? It comes to 6th house. Of Shadripu's cousins, Pandavas were whatever his cousins, etc. Saturn, Rahu, you have the Chaliya combination. Okay. And who's the Saturn? Dharma. So establish dharma through fight. Through fight. The house shows what you want to do. The house lord, where it goes and sits, shows how you are going to do it. Are you understanding the beauty of this?
Yes, sir.
Let's quickly take, I can show a lot of personal charts collection. Let's quickly take Sri Ram's horoscope. Sri Ram's horoscope is my favorite horoscope. This is in the 10th house. This I'll not discuss Mercury now. It will get become a big lecture. This 10th Lord of Deaths is going in the 7th house of spouse, exalted, Bhumi, Putra, Bhumi, Putri. That means child of Mother Earth. This is aspecting Moon, Mother, plus the Jupiter, who is 6th Lord of Enemies, exalted, so it is a Brahmin enemy. Okay, but dispositor is Rahu, debilitated. So here it goes. Are you all getting it, everybody? So you got to think. We have to keep on reading, rereading BPHS. Anyway, we'll end this lecture here.